Number 5. Fiat 500 entered production in the US in 2007. You will see a common theme with all 5 of these cars. Although great on fuel economy, horrible safety ratings and small size improves your chances of injury or death. This vehicle is like crushing an empty can in your hand, with it poor vehicle structure rated. Driver deaths, 95 per million registered vehicle. 60 deaths in multiple vehicle, 38 deaths in single vehicle and 37 deaths in single vehicle rollovers per year. Number 4. Nissan Versa entered production in the US in 2006. Although the Versa has a 4-star crash rating, it's still one of the deadliest cars to drive. With its low mass, multi-car crashes causing most deaths. Driver deaths, 96 per million registered vehicles. 80 deaths in multiple vehicles, 12 deaths in single vehicle and 7 deaths in single vehicle rollovers per year. Number 3. Chevrolet Sonic entered production in the US in 2011. Although the Sonic has a 5-star crash rating, it's still one of the deadliest cars to drive. With its low mass, any crash can cause injury or death. Driver deaths, 98 per million registered vehicles. 64 deaths in multiple vehicles, 34 deaths in single vehicle and 10 deaths in single vehicle rollovers per year. Number 2. Hyundai Accent entered production in the US in 1994. The Accent, with its 3-star crash rating, it's one of the deadliest cars to drive. Once again, with its low mass, any crash can cause injury or death. We are starting to see a trend here. Driver deaths, 116 per million registered vehicles. 85 deaths in multiple vehicles, 28 deaths in single vehicle and 9 deaths in single vehicle rollovers per year. Number 1. Ford Fiesta entered production in the US in 1976. Although the Fiesta, with its 5-star crash rating, it's still one of the deadliest cars to drive. With the Fiesta being one of the smallest vehicles and its low mass, any crash can cause injury or death. Did you figure out the common trend here? Vehicle size can help lower your chances of injury or death. Driver deaths, 141 per million registered vehicles. 98 deaths in multiple vehicles, 46 deaths in single vehicle and 11 deaths in single vehicle rollovers per year. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for future video notifications. And don't forget to sign up for our subscriber giveaway. See the giveaway video on our channel.